Inshallah, this is our next class of trigonometric functions, CBSE portion. This one. Now see here, let us continue with the class. We have to start from the 15th question. Watch carefully. What is the question here? We have to prove that cot 4x into sine 3x plus sine 5x plus sine 3x equals to cot x into sine x minus sine 3x. Now let us start here. You see here how we can write. Cot theta is nothing but cos by sine. Cot theta is cos by sine. So we can write like this: cos 4x by sine 4x into. Now suppose this has c, this has d. So this is of the formula sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d. So this is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So let me use this formula: 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now let me continue. Let me write this 2 in the big. Okay, let it there itself. Cot 4x by sine 4x into 2 sine. Watch here. This 5 plus 3 is 8. Sorry, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8x by 2. 2 ones are 2 4s are. This will be 4x into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x by 2. 2 will get cancelled, get left with x. Now see here, we can cancel this sine 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. So let me cancel this one, sine c plus d by 2 in sine 4x get cancelled. Now what is left here? Watch carefully. I am writing like this. We left with 2. I am writing 2 here. We left with cos x. I am writing cos x here. We left with cos 4x, so I am writing cos 4x here. Now this is very important step. Watch here. We are having 2 cos x, cos 4x. We have to bring cot x into this. Cot, what is cot actually? Actually cot x is nothing but cos by sine. Cos by sine. So we are having cos x here. We need sin x in the denominator. For that we write like this: multiply and divide by sin x. Why we are dividing by sin x? To get cos by sine, we must have to prove cot x. So cot is nothing but cot by sine. We are having cos, but we don't have sine. So to get sine, we are dividing and multiplying. Okay, I am writing like this. See here, cos x by sine x. So we divided with sine x. Now we can multiply here. What is left here? 2. We are multiplying with sine x. So we multiplied with sine x. We divide with sine x. What is left here? Cos 4x. Cos 4x. Okay. Now see here, once more step. Cos x, to change the into cot, we are divided by sine. We multiplied with sine. Now this will become formula 2 sine. This suppose as a, this as b. So this is 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b is nothing but sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So this is cos by sine is cot x. Now 2 sine a sine cos b is sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Now 2 steps are left. Watch carefully. Now see here, equals to cot x into sine x plus 4x is 5x plus sine x minus 4x is minus 3x. We know sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So if you bring this minus outside, that plus into minus will become minus. So this is the last step: cot x into sine 5x. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. This minus plus will become minus sine 3x. So this is the answer we required. Now see the next question here. We have to show that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sine 17x minus sine 3x equals to minus sine 2x by cos 10x. Now suppose this has c, this has d. So this will become cos c minus cos d, sine c minus sine d. So let me substitute these values. Cos c minus cos d is nothing but minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. In the same way, let me use the formula here. Sine c minus sine d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. So let this 2 will get cancelled, minus sine 9 plus 5 will be 7, 14, 14x by 2 sine 9 minus 5 is 4x by 2 divided by cos 20x by 2 sine 4x by 2. This sine 4x by 2, sine 4x by 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 7s and 2 1s are 2 10s are. So this will become minus sine 7x minus sine 7x divided by cos 10x. I think the question is wrong here. Let me change to 7x. Okay, so this is minus sine 7x by cos 10x. Now see the next question. This is that question, sine c minus sine d. We know sine c minus sine d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2 divided by cos c plus cos d. We have just seen 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Let me cancel this one, 2 to cancel, cos x plus y by 2 cancel. What is left here? Sine x minus y by 2 by cos x minus y by 2. We know sine by cos is tan, so this will be tan of x minus y by 2. Now see the next question. We have to prove this answer as sine 2 sine x. Now start sine c minus sine d. This is c, this is d. So this is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2 divided by, let me take minus common, I'll explain you. If you take minus common, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. So this will be cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now there is a formula we are having, cos square a minus sin square a, its value is cos 2a, cos 2a. So in the numerator, what is here? 2 cos x plus 3x is 4x by 2 sine x minus 3x is minus 2x by 2 divided by minus cos square a minus sin square is cos 2a. So this is 2x. So 2 1s are 2 2s are cos 2x. This is also cos 2x. Let cancel this one. 2 2 will get cancelled. What is left? 2 sine of minus x by minus 1. We know sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Just now we have seen. So if you break out minus here, it will be minus 2 sine x by minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. So what is left here? Sine 2 sine x. Now see the next question. You see here, watch carefully. Let me use the transformation formula for this 2. Why? Suppose we use c plus d by 2, that will be 4x plus 2x by 2, that will be 6x by 2. We'll get 3x. Here also we are having 3x, so we can take common. So let me use the transformation for this 2 in the same way for this 2. I am writing like this: cos 4x plus cos 2x, okay, plus cos 3x divided by, in the same way here also, sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Now just now we have seen the formulas for this. This is cos c plus cos d. We know cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now you write this as it is. The same denominator, sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 plus sin 3x as it is. Now see here what happens. 2 cos, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3x, cos 4 minus 2 is 2x, 2x by 2, 2 to cancel x, plus cos 3x. In the same in the denominator, see here 2 sine 4 plus 2 is 3 by 6, sorry 6 by 2 is 3x, cos 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2 1 x plus sine 3x. Though let me take common from the numerator, cos 3x and cos 3x. We can take out cos 3x outside. So what is left here? 2 cos x. 2 cos x plus here it left with 1. In the same you take common in the denominator, sine 3x. So what is left here? 2 cos x. 2 cos x plus here it left with 1. This will get cancelled. What is cos by sine is nothing but cot x. Cos 3x by sine 3x. This is nothing but cot 3x. So let we continue in the next class. We have done few questions based on the transformations formulas. Inshallah, we are going to continue in the next class. I request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel.